Is your iPhone showing your account has been disabled from App Store and iTunes? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Your Name banner. You will see the option for Media and Purchases. Tap on that and then tap on View Account. You will be asked to enter your passcode or your Face ID, so go ahead and do that. Now tap on Manage Payments and then tap on Billing Address. Make sure the billing address is set correctly since it is very important. You can also try to erase all the data in there and then re-enter them again one by one. Also, keep in mind that entering the correct postcode and phone number plays a very crucial role here. Once you have finished entering the data, tap on Done and see if the App Store or iTunes has been fixed or not. If it is still showing the same pop-up again, then tap on Settings and then tap on Your Name banner again. Tap on Sign In and Security now and you will see the option for Change Password. Tap on that. Now enter your iPhone passcode and you will be able to change the password of your Apple ID. So go ahead and set a brand new password. Once done, tap on Change. Go and check if the problem is fixed or not. If your device is still not fixed, then the last method is tap on Your Name banner again and then scroll down to the bottom. You will see the option for Sign Out. Tap on that and you will be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Go ahead and enter the Apple ID password and tap on Turn Off option you see there and your iPhone should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.